In this video, I'm going to show you how to import in a CSV file. This is the one we're going to be importing in today into R. I'm specifically going to be using Jupyter Notebook for this, but this code will work on any R IDE, including RStudio. So I'm going to go to New. I'm going to create a new R notebook. I can load in the file using read.csv and then parentheses. And then what I need to put in here is the name of the file. This is assuming that this is in the same folder of whatever notebook or script that you're actually working in. So you can see that this untitled 2 is what I just opened here, and this is in the same folder as that. So all I need to do is put in quotations mpg.csv and load it in. You can see that Jupyter Notebook will automatically spit out the data for you underneath. And so you can see that's here. To do anything with this right now, I'd have to read it in every single time. So instead, what I'm going to do is set it to a variable. So I'm going to call it df for data frame. And I'm going to set equals, or you can set a backwards arrow like this. Either one will work. And I'm just going to copy it and paste it in here. And now when I call df, there's my data frame. So now I can do anything off df, including call a column like manufacturer, and it's now going to pull that data for me. So that's how you can set it to a variable. What if your file isn't in the same folder as the notebook or script that you're working in? So what I did is I put that exact same file in this other folder here. You can see this is in my downloads and a folder within my downloads. So what I need to do is give this read.csv function the full file path for it to be able to do this. You may not know your full file path. So what you can do is you can find the file wherever it is. You can right click on it, and what you're going to do is copy as path. And then I can come in here and I'm going to say df2. And just to show you, you can use the equal as well. So I will use the equal signs. I'm going to do read CSV, and then I'm going to paste. And so what you're going to see is it pasted in that full file path. But you can see that this is now orange, the backslashes and the letter after. And that's because in R, a backslash is an escape. And so it's actually escaping out these letters here, which is not what we want it to do. So all we need to do is change all of our backslashes to forward slashes. And I'm just going to copy that to make it easy to do. So now our letters are no longer orange. And when we run it and do df2, you can see that we now get the exact same data frame as above. So that is how you can load in any CSV file, whether it's in your own file path or not. And this here is specific to Windows. I will leave a few videos on the screen if you are interested in more R tutorials. And I hope you subscribe to learn more about R and different ways that you can use R. Thanks, and I hope to see you in the next video.